Good morning! I mean, it's actually like freaking 2 p.m. But we're all just getting out of bed. It's actually 1:50. But yeah, we're gonna start our day. Go have some lunch. But I just want to show you guys what outside looks like right now. It's ridiculous. Hold on. This is what outside looks right now. This is my roof. Anyways.
Can you hear the grease on the camera from my head?
So cute. Hi guys!
No, don't bug me.
Hi Pa, hi Ma. Papa, look at Papa, he's so sweet. He cooked everyone brunch. And I also want to show you guys my mom and dad's new couch. Look at this. Isn't it cute? They got it last week or something. Yeah, so cute with our new other couches. Oh. Papa, you look so comfy. Oh my god. Good afternoon, y'all. Oh my. It's literally winter again. Look at this.
Oh, what the heck?
Winter. Oh snap. This just never ends. So it's the middle of April and we had an ice storm yesterday, and then we have round 2 of the ice storm today. What's up, y'all? We just finished church. So dark. I feel like that's like the thing that I say every single vlog. I'm so sorry, but I only vlog on the weekends because, you know, I only work during the weekdays. And
Actually, when on the camera, you don't have to say hey guys.
okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, fine. I'll try not to say hey guys every time I turn on the camera. But anyways, we're done church and it's still freaking cold out and snowing out. I think we're gonna grab something to eat quickly and then head on home. Mickey. Hi. Cheeky. Hello. Hello. So I have a question for y'all. What kind of videos do you like seeing on my channels? Because my mom and I were talking a while ago and my mom always has like these good ideas and stuff, but sometimes I just can't. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want. Like, do you want me to do makeup toots? Like favorite videos and stuff? Because I feel like my vlogs might be a little like repetitive for you guys. I don't know. But let me know. Okay, thanks. We're here at Erin Mills to have some lunch because we all hungry. Oh god, this is not cool. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. No! It's not working. Holy cow.
Stop.
Go, Kemi.
No, we're gonna die.
Are you scared?
Yeah. No elevators.
I'm getting some Greek with Mama. I got my Jimmy the Greek. I got chicken souvlaki dinner. It has rice, potatoes, like a Greek salad, and then it comes with like, I don't know, the sauce. Mama and Papa got the same. Cheska got her spicy pad thai. Huh? Yeah, no, I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, and then Gabby and Camille are over there getting bourbon. They got their food. I mean, whoa, mine, mama's, papa's. Papa, oh my god. We're at Erin Mills. I think I mentioned that, but we're done eating now. Are we gonna walk around, Mom?
Just to Walmart.
Oh, we're just gonna go to Walmart and then probably head home after. Eyelashes. Yeah. Hey, Asus phone camera, this is so nice. iPhone 7 Plus. If you guys have never been to Erin Mills, this is what it looks like. It kind of sucks, but you know, what can you do? Okay, we're going grocery shopping, guys, at Walmart. Oh. It's freaking cold. Wow, Chess. We're home. Wow, this lighting's so bad. Hi guys. So I went home with my family and now I'm with Meme. He just picked me up because we're gonna be heading to our friend's house for, you know, just a little gathering because we haven't really like hung out, all of us, in a while. And yeah, I can't wait to see the baby. Say hey guys. Dog? Where's the dog? Say hi. Say hi, Isabella. We're here at Sean's house with everyone. You want to show Bubby? Doggy?
You want to show the doggy? Look, show the doggy. Look.
Ella.
Look at the camera.
Say hi.
Show the doggy. Wow.
Wow. So cute. So we're about to have dinner and Sean prepared all of these lovely chickens. Thank you, Sean, for your gourmet chickens.
I love how it's in these lovely containers.
These are very expensive designer.
She's like, wait a second, let me try this again. Nope. Yeah?
Oh, she likes it.
Oh. Wow. What is
They're all different sauces. Okay, I'll pick them out.
Oh, okay. What are they, Sean? Do you want to explain?
I don't know.
Explain the rub you put on them.
Don't be shy.
Let me make a phone call.
Are we calling? Who are you calling? Rubba?
Hello, Dominion?
This is for dessert. What kind of cake is this? Cookies and cream cake?
Cookies and cream. And then it's a big nap. And then after, like, you build like a base.
We're going home now.
I hope you guys enjoyed the food. It's delicious.
Okay, the elevator's here. Bye, y'all. So it's the end of the night, and we're heading home from Sean's place. I had a good time. Did you?
I had a great time.
So it was a good time with them. We love them so much. Yeah, everyone's full. Everyone's really, you know, feeling nice. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.